Okay, today we're putting a permatrin trim hydrofoil on my new Tohatsu, simply because they are awesome. I made one a couple of years ago for my little sea hog, and it just blew me away. Like, top speed increased by 3 or 4 knots. Fuel efficiency was better, and it's just up on the plane so quick. So putting a hydrofoil on this new motor is not an option. So I've marked it out already, marked the center line. I've measured and marked the line where I think the bolts should go, but I can't drill in from the top. So I've also lined them up. I want to get this up. And I've measured and marked the line and punched holes where I'm going to drill, and clamped it down. And we'll see how she goes. Right. These are it's a bit tight. I'm just gonna take the edges down a bit like this. Just a bit of acetone. Make sure there's no gunky stuff on it. Bit of Sikaflex. Now, right. Oh, I have everything mixed up here now. Oh no, wait. No. Bit of Sikaflex here too, I think. Let's play her safe. Little bit. We'll clean her up afterwards. Because I love cleaning up Sikaflex. It's awful stuff. Great stuff, but awful stuff to clean up. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god, I better not be a short one. I might cry. Of course I've misplaced one, haven't I? Oh, big jizz, there she is. Right, what do we have here? We have washers. Loads of washers, loads of bolts. Not much of a talker, so hopefully the camera's actually showing what I'm doing. And of course, if I'm doing anything wrong, let me know. I am going to give these. I'm going to give these another tighten up. A good tighten up, and then I have a bit of tar remover. I'll clean her up. But I think that doesn't look too bad now.